In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update a product in your website's main administration dashboard using Chrome. To begin, open Chrome and sign into your website's main admin dashboard. Once you're inside, look over to the control sidebar where you'll see the main menu options that organize the different sections of your store. This is the central area where you manage settings, products, and other store content. So it's important to get comfortable navigating this panel. Next, go to the section labeled Selling, then select Products. In some dashboard layouts, this path may appear as Commerce and then Inventory instead. Both routes lead you to the same kind of product management area, so just follow the version that appears in your system. Once you open that section, you should see a table or list view showing your current inventory items. From there, locate the specific product you want to update. You'll usually find it displayed as a row in your product list, along with details such as its name, status, price, or stock information. If you have a large inventory, take a moment to carefully scan the listing so you choose the correct item before making any edits. This helps prevent accidental changes to the wrong product. When you found the right item, click directly on the product title to open it. In some dashboard views, there may also be an edit button or similar option within that product's row. Either method will bring you into the product management screen where you can review and adjust the item's details. Now you can make the changes you need. This might include updating the stock count if inventory has changed, adjusting the price if the item is being discounted or repriced, replacing images or visual assets to improve the product's presentation, or rewriting the product description to make it clearer and more compelling. As you edit, pay close attention to the information you enter so everything stays accurate and consistent across your storefront. Clean product descriptions, correct pricing, and updated visuals all help create a better customer experience. Once all your updates are complete, go to the top right corner of the editing screen and click Save. This final step applies your changes and updates the live storefront listing. After saving, it's a good idea to briefly confirm that the product now reflects the new information as expected. That's the full process for updating a product from your website's admin dashboard in Chrome.